Okay, so if you're new here, welcome to Bluebush Room. If you're coming back, welcome back. So I really wanted to make this video for everyone in India who wants to start a small business but does not know where to start or how to set everything up. Everything I've compiled in this video is just stuff that I've learned from my own journey. So take with you what works for you and obviously figure it out as you go. But I just wanted this video to be a guide for everyone who might have needed that. I didn't have the advice that I wish I had at the time. So I really hope what I have to share in this video really works out for you. Okay, first things first, you have to set up your payment receiving method. So in the start, I would take orders via DM, but to receive my payments, I would use my GPay QR code. The issue with that though, after a while, is if you want to take your business seriously, you will have to shift to a more secure payment method. I do think GPay is super secure. I just mean secure in terms of how people place their orders. But let's start with DM orders first. When asking for the customer details, make sure you ask for their name, phone number, address, obviously, and PIN code. A lot of people will give you their address without their PIN code, and PIN code is one of the most important things for delivery executives to actually know if they can deliver there. For taking orders via DM, you do not want to share your number as a payment receiving method, because that's when people can send you an SMS saying that, oh, the payment is made, and you may not necessarily double check it, and you might assume the payment has been made when it hasn't. So definitely share your QR code. And if the person says the QR code doesn't work, usually that doesn't happen. So be wary, they might be trying to scam you. And if at all it really doesn't work, give it some time. Usually the bank server is down, or at worst, I guess, if it doesn't work, then just share your UPI ID. Make sure any payment updates you get is actually something you get from the official number from your bank, and especially from your GPay account if you're using GPay. Although you can successfully get orders via DM, I will highly recommend you transition to services like DM to Buy. It is free, and I think it only has a few paid options when it comes to customizing your store. I would really say you put up your stuff there because it'll act as a catalog as well, and just a very simple payment receiving platform. Now, if you are going to use services like DM to Buy, they will ask you to authenticate your account either via KYC or through your PAN card or PAN number on your PAN card. So make sure you have your PAN card on hand. You'll have to connect your bank details via the website. They will guide you through the process. Second thing you have to look into is how are you going to establish a delivery method. What I did was, when I received a package from a DTDC delivery executive, I just spoke to him. I was like, hey, hi, I want to send out and ship out orders as well. Could you take some of mine? And it just went from there. He gave me the rates, and he said if I can give him a select number of packages each month and just like let him know how many he's going to ship out, he's going to give me a bit of a discount. So I do get to ship them out at a discounted price because of that reason. But I think one of the easiest methods is to really just talk to a delivery guy and just tell him, hey, I want to ship out orders, let me know what you have. I will highly recommend DTDC. I don't know why it gets such a bad rap. I feel like maybe it used to not be the best, but now I've just had no issues with them whatsoever. So I recommend DTDC, but see what works for you. I would actually advise against using second party shipping companies just because they charge you way higher, and I think they're way more hectic. Also, when you use them, they need you to have a label printer, which I think is also an unnecessary expense. So if you want to directly partner with the delivery service, just go onto the website, figure out one, research, see which one you like, which one works well for you. For me, it was DTDC, but see what works for you. Go to their website and they will give you a person to talk to, and just take it from there. As a pro tip, have a refund and exchange policy in place. Even if you do not provide refunds, even if you do not provide exchanges, have that in place, because you do not want to get into that mess with customers later. So my shipping policy looks a little bit like no returns and no exchanges and no cancellation after the order has been placed. That's just what mine looks like. Third thing you will really need to look into is packaging material. That is so essential. How will you ship stuff out without packaging material? It's also one of my favorite things because packaging is just so much fun. So with packaging, you will only need like 3 things. One is a corrugated box. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think I'm saying it right. You need a corrugated box, you need a shock absorber, and you need a shipping bag. Those three are the only most essential parts about your packaging that you'll need. And number 4, you will just need some basic tools for your business. Obviously, that has more to do with what craft you do, but just keep in mind to invest in good materials and good tools. So I will highly recommend for anything, get stainless steel tools. Tools that are stainless steel will not rust, they will not tarnish on you. You can just use them for long hours, long days. And yeah, point number 5, for raw materials, scour the internet. I promise you that's also the only way I found my raw materials. I just went all over online, just kept researching, kept scouring the internet, and that's where you find it. Plus, you will know what works best for you, so you have to stick with what really applies. Okay, and my final tip is just start posting. Posting is basically your free marketing machine. It is literally the one way you get to put yourself out there, reach out to people. Just start posting. Little pro tips here. If you want, you can make an item, a design, or anything in bulk, so that when you take a picture of it, when you post it, people can see that you can deliver multiple times on the same design and keep it consistent. That is all I have for you. It is really not the most impossible thing to set up your small business, but I do know in India it is still quite difficult sometimes. It was a hassle for me to figure it out from the ground up. I started from DMs, I started from Swiggy minis. Sadly, they stopped, so I shift to my official website. But DM to buy, I've seen people stick to that. So if one day you want to set up an official website, go for it. That's super fun, super professional. And yeah, all the best on your small business journey, and I really hope I could help you in that process. And take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.